It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tato and today magluluto tayo ng isang recipe na sigurado magugustuhan ninyo. Kaya let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And itong recipe ko na to, ginawan ko ng paraan na sobra talagang simple kahit hindi kayo bihasa sa magluto. Kaya nyo itong gawin. So magluluto tayo ng ating paboritong pork belly. And yung ito siya is around close to 2 kilos. Pork belly from Fresh Options, of course. And we will just season with salt and vinegar. At least 1 tablespoon per kilo. So, ito siya, almost 2 kilos. So, around 2 tablespoons yung nilagay ko. And vinegar. Yun lang. Dato puti vinegar and asin lang yung base natin na seasoning. Halo natin siya and we marinate this for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yan. So, after marinating it for around, 30 minutes to 1 hour, even overnight, pwede siyang overnight. Lalagay lang natin siya sa ating, kawali, ating wok. Yan, very simple. Kaya mo tong gawin. And just put the excess vinegar there. So, gagamit ako ng cooking oil. Yung cooking oil ko dito is Golden Fiesta Canola Oil. But I already fried pork in this. So, pangalawang beses ko na siya gamitin. And look at that. Clear pa siya. And actually, when you fry with oil na nagamit mo na for the first time, actually, mas maganda yung effect niya sa frying. Mas magiging flavorful yung luto nyo. Firstly, and also, ang mangyayari dyan ay mas maganda yung effect niya. Kasi yung compounds ng oil, nag-break na siya, no? Kasi naluto na siya. Pero smooth na yung pag-fry niya. So, look at that. Hindi ko pa ininit yung aking pan. Ilagay ko na yung oil. I'm sure you can do that. Put garlic. Put whole black pepper, and dahon ng laurel, which is optional. If you want to put, don't want to put, it's up to you. Pero ako, I put para medyo, alam mo na, mangyayari sa kanya, magiging mabango yung aking pork. And what do I do now? I just turn on the heat and let it fry. So ito siya, medyo para siyang French technique na tinatawag nating confit, na niluluto natin siya sa oil, no? So it's boiled in oil. So yung temperature natin, mababa siya sa frying. Hindi siya talagang prito hanggang ma-brown siya agad. Yung temperature niya, medyo nasa medium siya para sabay ng pagpapalambot ng pork ang pagpiprito sa kanya. Hinay-hinay lang yung luto niya, pero dapat hindi rin siya tulo kasi ang mangyayari sa kanya, kung masyadong mababa na yung temperature, magiging malagkit yung skin kasi matutunaw yung collagen sa skin, will melt as well, then magiging malagkit yung ating pork. We don't want that to happen. So, it has to be cooked at the right temperature. So, around 160 to 170 degrees. Okay? So, yan, we just leave that there and wait for it to fry. And we've been cooking the pork for around 25 minutes already. And we see that the garlic, kaya yung garlic natin, medyo buo-buo yung gawit natin, hindi yung cut into small pieces because we don't want it to burn right away. So halfway through, tanggalin na natin ating fried garlic kasi we can use it as garnish later. Yan. Masarap din siya na ilagay sa ating, alam mo na, sinangag, no? You use the oil here to saute your rice and you add this garlic. Sobrang sarap. So you just have to move your pork around every so often para maging even yung cooking niya. But the color is starting to change and sobrang bango dito sa kitchen. Yan. And we just leave that for, a little bit more. We need to cook this for another 20 to 25 minutes until sobrang niyang crispy at alam natin, malambot din yung pork belly. So we've been cooking the pork for around 30 minutes already. So we're down to our last 10 minutes and look at the color, sobra na niyang ganda. And obviously, medyo crispy na talaga. But we still want to cook it a little bit more para sigurado talaga tayo na tender ang pork sa loob and magiging very crispy yung ating pork. And our pork belly is cooked. It's crispy and it's juicy. Tatabi muna natin. Yan. So we let it rest. We have to make sure that the skin is exposed, no? Hindi natin yung makukulob, no? We have to make sure that nahanginan yung ating skin para maging crispy siya. And let's just slice into it. Yan. Ah, wow. Look at that, no? Happy pork. Yan. Eto, make your life easier. Try this recipe. Our version of simple crispy pork belly. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple! Mga simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!